guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. So I started off by sectioning my hair into somewhat squares. I mean, I was really going for squares, but I ended up with circles and other shapes. I then applied castor oil to my roots. I use Expression braids and I got them in the color 4, and I also bought 4 packets. So I grabbed 2 strands of hair and I locked them together like so that they're intertwined and it's kind of like a crisscross shape. Yeah. Okay, we get it. And then I applied, okay, so basically I twisted my hair with 1 of the strands, so then remaining I have 3 strands to make a 3-part braid, if that makes sense. So from then on I just braided, just making sure that my real hair was tucked in nicely into the Expression hair. So just braid, 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 braid. And this was my first braid. This is me. Yep, I'm literally showing you guys that it does not come off no matter how much you pull. Yep, here I am pulling the hell out of my hair. So for my next braid, I'm just going to talk you guys through it again. I made sure that I had 3 strands, and from those 3 strands I grabbed and added my hair, my real hair, into, so that it makes a 3-part braid, if that makes sense. It would have been easier if I gelled my hair. I was supposed to gel my hair or add some kind of like gel to it. So this is my first line. I did this in like 3 hours and this is my second line and a bit more. So this is the back, but I fast forwarded it because honestly speaking I was messing up so much. I just thought, let me just show you guys what I'm doing. But so when I finished everything, I wanted to gel my hair first, so I used eco styling gel to make sure my edges were laid, so at least it looks presentable at the front. And then I just added hair accessories like these little gold gems, because it kind of takes away from like the messed up braids, if that makes sense, because they are so cute. This is the final look, you guys. Like, I was pleased at how it turned out, even though some braids are shorter. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I really hope you liked it and I hope you found it useful.